Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Schneiderelektric Batam Smart Factory. As one of our operational factory, let me introduce myself. My name is Wiranata Suganda. I am the plant director of sensor plant and electromechanic plant. Glad to welcome you into our field tour of our smart factory. We have 3 plants, but today we will show you one of our plants, which is here, electromechanic plant. In Batam, we started our operation in 1991, and we started our digital transformation journey in 2017 by deploying EcoStructure for industry architecture and platform. And we continue our transformation journey until today. And we, as one of the 11 smart factory from the Schneiderelektric. This Smart Factory program is a part of global program for transformations in our supply chain. We have been recognized by Ministry of Industry of Indonesia as the first lighthouse for Industry 4.0. As well, recognized by the World Economic Forum along with the other smart factory in France, China, and Mexico. Today you have been hearing about the operational agility. Keeping your plants running in time of change means you need to make sure your assets are available for productions when needed. In the Batam Smart Factory, we have deployed the EcoStructure solutions to help us to avoid unplanned downtime, to perform maintenance effectively, and to leverage our connected for the greater efficiency. One of the key that we have been able to achieve is 44% reductions in machine downtime over 1 year. Today you will see our innovation hub, and as well you will see the product that we manufacture in Batam. And you will understand how we apply the 3 layers of EcoStructure into our operations. And at the factory floor, you will see exactly how we use some of the EcoStructure solution that will reduce our downtime and to provide our operations effectively. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for another tour to understand how we increase our overall efficiency. Now my colleague, Budi Sulistiarto, our digital transformation leader, will take you into the innovation hub. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Batam Smart Factory Innovation Hub. Let me introduce myself. My name is Budi Sulistiarto. I am a digital transformation leader. So now we are in our innovation hub. In here, we have 3 main areas: customer walls, product showcase, and also we have 6 screens that we call command center. I will explain one by one. In customer wall, basically we are used to explaining to our visitors about Batam digital transformation journey and also explaining about EcoStructure solutions. EcoStructure solutions is IoT platform of Schneiderelektric. This platform is open and interoperable, meaning that able to connect to others' brands. And EcoStructure solutions also already comply with end-to-end cybersecurity. For the storage, can be saved in cloud and also on-premise. EcoStructure solutions consist of 3 layers. The first layer we call connected product, consists of the product that ready to connect and able to give the data. For example, like a sensor, receiver, HMI, relay, and so on. In the second layer, we call edge control, meaning that's like data concentrator or interface to be a bridge between connected product and third layers. And then the last one, third layer, we call apps, analytics, and services. Consists of applications, software, analytics, and all the data that software able to give the recommendation or advisor. I will explain to you the product that we are producing in Batam. In here, all the products is following EcoStructure layers. In the bottom one, we call connected product, like a sensors, as I mentioned previously, contactors, relay, drive, HMI also. In here, PEM, plant electromechanical, we are producing contactor in second floor, relay in third floor, tower like in third floor. The second layers we call edge control. We are producing PLC in PEL, plant electronic. We have also Schneider Majelis edge box that later on I will show to you in our machines. We are installing in the machines in our shop floor production. I will explain how Batam Smart Factory implementing the EcoStructure. So in Batam Smart Factory, we are eating our own food, meaning that we are consuming the Schneider solutions. We are also consuming or implementing AVEVA solutions, and some application or solutions we are developing internally in Batam Digital Transformation team. So, Innovation Hub is not only to welcoming our visitor or customer, but in here also we are using by manager for short interval meetings before the COVID-19 situations. But now, during the COVID-19 situations, all of short interval meeting is done by virtually. We have common center, consists of third layer, EcoStructure third layer, that's meaning applications and also advisor. So in Batam Smart Factory, we are focusing in machines and quality, shop floor management, and the last one is about top floor management. In here, what you can see is about EcoStructure Machines Advisor. Actually, EcoStructure Machine Advisor is designed to our OEM or machine builder, machine maker. So they able to see and monitor the machines that they are producing. They are able to monitor all the machines that they are selling for each country and also its production plant. What you can see in here, we are connected is not only Batam Smart Factory, but also we are connecting to Bangpoo, Thailand, India, Hyderabad, Cavite, Philippines, and others country. The goal of implementations EcoStructure Machine Advisor in Batam Smart Factory is to have the same level of performance. Why? Because we have the similar machines between Batam and other country. For example, like PCBA, we have similar machines in Batam compared to Philippines. Circuit breaker machines, we have similar machines between Batam and also Thailand. So that's why we can compare which area or which country that have the better performance. Then later on, we can discuss, study, and benchmarking to have the same level performance of the machines. EcoStructure Machine Advisor have two main features, track and monitor. In track feature, we are able to monitor the architecture of the machines. And the documentation is also available in Machines Advisor. So we no need to worry, lose the paper, lose the manual book, because all of the data is already digitized in soft copy, available in EcoStructure Machines Advisor. The second one, monitor. Maintenance manager or maintenance engineering, they are able to monitor the performance of their machines. As I mentioned previously, they can compare to others country or others plan. And then later on, they can set up the action plan, how to improve the machines to have the same level of performance. The next one is AVEVA Insight. This is IoT, Internet of Things, that we are implementing in Batam Smart Factory. AVEVA Insight is provided by AVEVA for real-time data monitoring and alert system. So, as you can see in here, we are able to monitor area, induction, temperature, DFA, resistance, and so on. So this is the critical parameter that you are defining for these machines. We are defining this critical parameter together with quality, maintenance, engineering, and also process engineering. So that's why we're defining this as a critical parameter of the machines and product. And then we're setting up the minimum limit control and maximum limit control. So that's why, let's say, if actual value out of the control limit, will automatically send the alert and notifications to the respective pupil, whether it's quality or maintenance. So in here, we are monitoring and controlling the performance in our supplier, which is molding machines. Because previously, we just only know the product defect after they send the product to our factory. Quality people need to check one by one, then later on send back to our supplier. But now, with AVEVA Insight, we can early monitor and prevent any product defect because we monitor the real-time data from the molding machines. We're able to know whether it's, the temperature is out of the specifications, holding pressure is out of the specifications, or within the specifications. So we can anticipate, we can prevent any product defect sent from our supplier to Batam Smart Factory. The next one, shop floor management and top floor management. Here we call lean digitization system provided by AVEVA. So this is to manage our operational, to monitor and to control the performance and efficiency of our shop floor productions. As you can see in here, we're able to monitor the product or parts achievement compared to the target. We're able to monitor the KE, coefficient efficiency, each line, and then we know also where is the line that required to get the support from support function. With these applications, we're able to monitor in every time and everywhere. So we don't need to go directly to our shop floor productions. We don't need to ask our production supervisor to know the achievement and performance of our production operational. And the last one is top floor management. So this is the final dashboard that we have. We call Batam MCT, Batam Manufacturing Control Tower. So MCT consists of KPI each department, key performance indicator each department. As you can see in here, have safety, GSNQ, quality, efficiency is for maintenance and productions, service level for supply chains, and people for HR. So this is the final dashboard integrated to each solutions that we have. Some data coming from shop floor, which is LDS, some data coming from the machines, which is Machine Advisor and also AVEVA Insight, some data from our energy monitoring and building management, some data need to key in using Excel. Yeah. So this is the solutions that we have to achieve our effectiveness and efficiency in our production shop floor. Yeah. Later on, I will explain to you the detail how they can utilize these applications. So I will meet you in our shop floor to see more closer each solutions, how they use the applications and how the application can help us to get efficiency and also to improve our effectiveness. Thank you for joining with me in Innovation Hub. Thank you. Welcome back to Batam Smart Factory Tour. Now we are in second floor our production operationals, that's manufacturing contractor products. I will show you how we utilize EcoStructure solutions and how we can enjoy the benefits of EcoStructure solution itself. Please follow me. Here is coil line area. Coil lines is a critical part of our contractor products. So, as you know, that operation manufacturing need to have visibility data, especially the performance of the manufacturing itself. I will show you. This paper is the tool to record performance of operationals in this line. All of the things is already changed to digital. One of the solutions that we are using is LDS, Lean Digitization System by AVEVA. With these solutions, we have the visibility data, the performance of the operational, we have visibility data, how many product quantity that they are producing, the good product, the bad product. Also, we can see the reason, the barrier, why they cannot achieve the productions, and also we can see the work order management in here. With these applications, we can save a lot of time because using the paper, supervisor need to copy into Excel file, and then supervisor need to do the analysis before they define action plan. But now all the things we already have real-time analysis data, and also we can get the advice from the solution. After we implement LDS, we can get 13% operational efficiency increase. I will show you to the next solution. Please follow me. Virtual reality for industrialization. We implement the solutions to validate the designs of the machines. As you know that Batam also implements a lot of machine automation. And we engage the vendor outside of Indonesia. So that's why we need to do the validations of the designs before we manufacture, we fabricate the machine itself. Previously, we need to go directly to the vendor place. But now, with virtual reality, we can validate by virtual. We can save a lot of money, especially the travel costs, and also we can get early corrections of the designs. You can see in here, this is the sample how the maintenance and process engineer, they do the validations of the designs. They can check the detailed part inside of the machines. They can see the movement of the machines. And then they can judge whether the machine is ready or not. Okay? After that, I will show you to the next applications that we have. We are implement smart glass for remote assistant. The solution is to direct communicate between us in internal and our expertise in outside of Schneider, or sometimes outside of Indonesia. Yeah. As you know, that some of our vendor is outside of Indonesia. For example, last time we have an issue with our soldering machine. we need to get the support from the expert from Thailand. Then when we call them to visit Batam, they have a difficulties because their passport is expired and the visa is not ready also. So that's why we try to find the solutions, and then we implement smart glass remote assistant. So they can guide us from Thailand, and technicians in Indonesia, they can do by themselves. So we also can increase, upskill our technician skill, because technicians do by themselves with the guidance from our expertise in outside of company. So with this tool also, we can expedite the troubleshooting, and then we can speed up also the solving of the issue. Thank you. I will show you for the next applications that we have. The next solutions we call Pcpes, Process Control Plant Execution System. The solutions is developed internally in Batam, but now already recognized as a global solution. So previously it's implemented only in Batam plant, but now already implemented in some of other manufacturing plants. You can see the detail in here. Yeah. Quality, they have a checking, and then they do the checking one by one. And then let's say if the result is good, just select the green, and if bad, select the red color, and then they confirm the result. If everything okay, we'll have a green smiley, and if there is have any issue or abnormality, we'll have red smiley. And then in the real time, immediately we'll send notifications to the PIC, to the respective people who should solve the issue, maybe maintenance or maybe production. Previously, quality used the paper to monitor all the item and also to monitor the result of the checking. But now already digitized using the solutions that we call Pcpes, Process Control Plant Execution System. I will show you the next applications that we implement in Batam. Instead of Pcpes is to checking, to audit the performance of the machines, and this one we call outgoing insight. Outgoing insight is to check the visual inspection by sampling. We have 100% checkings by the machine visions in our production shop floor, but in outgoings, we need to do the sampling. For example, in one pallet, we just only take 13 pieces of the product. What you can see in here, there have two screens. The left screen is for live data reading, and the right screen, there is a step-by-step guidance. So everybody, they able to do the checking. Yeah, all the data will be recorded and saved into the our server. So that's why we will have a historical, we will have the data inside of our database. So that's why let's say if there is have customer complaints, we just tracking back from the historical, and then we can check what is the actual issue. Okay, we will go to the next solutions that we implement in Batam. Please follow me. The next solutions that we implement in Batam is IoT, Internet of Things. The IoT that we implement in Batam, we call AVEVA Insight, provided by AVEVA. Yeah. So The concept of IoT that we implement in Batam, there is real-time data monitoring and alert system. So to prevent any product defect that generated by the machine. So previously we don't have any visibility to prevent any defect product. We just know the product defect after product throw to red bin. But now, with these solutions, AVEVA Insight, we can monitor the critical parameter from each machine. So, what you can see in here, like resistance, inductance, temperature, and so on. So, we can monitor real-time data from the machines, and then we can setting up the minimum limit control and the maximum limit control. Let's say if the actual of the real-time data is out of the limit control, will automatically send the alert and notifications to respective people, maybe to maintenance or to quality. So after we implement AVEVA Insights in certain machines, in coil line machines, we can get 40% scrap reduction. So the machine is already integrated. The machine can talk to human. So we can do analyze very immediately. We can be able to see the issue before the machine create the defective product. So this was the AVEVA Insights. I will show you the next solutions that we implement in Batam. We call AOA, Augmented Operator Advisor. This is AOA, Augmented Operator Advisor. Basically, it's used by technicians or operator. This is to have the maintenance to do the troubleshooting without any contact directly to the machines. Because some machine there is have protocol, only authorized persons can touch the machine. So that's why we implement Augmented Operator Advisor. We can do the troubleshootings by Augmented. So how the detailed technicians utilize the applications, you can see in here. Just pointed the iPad to the machines and then will come out POI, point of interest. Each POI there is have a different data. You can freeze. Even we can open the cabinet without any contact physically to the cabinet itself. We can open by virtually. Yeah. In here shown to you the inside of the cabinet itself. There is have some component. And then also we're able to open the manual user of the components. For example, like PLC, we no need to go to workshop and then bring out the book because all the data already provided by AOA solution. The next one, we able to open also electrical diagram. This electrical diagram is belong to the cabinet itself. So we no need to open one by one, page by page to find out the electrical diagram. Because with this application or solutions, we can directly open in the certain area. So we'll save the time of the technicians to do the troubleshooting. After we implement these solutions, augmented operator solutions, and also smart glass, we can reduce the maintenance repair time about 17%. That's all from me. As I explained previously, that's after we implement the digital solutions from EcoStruxure, AVEVA, and so on, we can get 13% operational efficiency. We can reduce about 40% of quality scrap reductions in certain machines. Maintenance can reduce 17% of their maintenance repair time. So we can enjoy the benefit after we implement the digital solutions in Batam. Thank you very much for joining Batam Smart Factory Tour. Don't forget to join tomorrow because we still have another session. Thank you very much.